This is the real Chinese stall-style spring roll sauce that makes spring rolls irresistible. Watch till the end for the most important tips. Step 1. Batter preparation. All-purpose flour 1 cup. Corn flour 1/4 cup. Salt ½ teaspoon. Oil 1½ tablespoons. Water 1 3/4 cups. First, prepare a smooth batter for spring roll sheets. ½ cup water. ¼ cup water. Make sure the batter is completely lump-free and well rested before cooking. Vinegar 1 teaspoon. This makes the sheet elastic and extra crispy after frying. Important point: the batter consistency should be like milk, not thick and not watery. Rest 10 minutes. Step 2. Pan temperature control. Now control the pan temperature carefully. Use a heavy non-stick or iron pan on medium-low heat. Lightly grease the pan and wipe with tissue before pouring the batter. Important point: test the heat by placing your hand above the pan for 2 seconds. It should feel warm, not burning. Step 3. Sheet swirl technique. Pour 1 ladle of batter onto the pan. Immediately swirl the pan to spread the batter into a very thin sheet. The sheet should be paper thin, not thick. Important point: cook on one side. Step 4. Sheet ready sign. When the surface becomes dry and the edges start lifting from the pan, the sheet is ready. Do not flip the sheet and do not let it turn brown. After making each sheet, place it on a cloth or tray. Important points: this step ensures the sheets do not dry out and are perfect for rolling later. Repeat the same swirl technique to prepare thin sheets. Put a thin plastic sheet or butter paper between each sheet to prevent sticking. Cover the stack and keep it aside. This keeps the sheets soft and flexible. Step 5. High flame wok frying. Stuffing start. Oil 2 tablespoons. Heat the wok or pan on high flame. Garlic 1 tablespoon. The garlic should not turn brown. Ginger 1 teaspoon. High flame. Oil ginger and garlic, stir 5 seconds. Now add the vegetables in this order. Spring onion white 2 tablespoons. Carrot ½ cup. Capsicum ½ cup. Stir fry 30 to 40 seconds only. Cabbage 1 cup. Important points: high flame ensures the vegetables cook fast without releasing water, keeping the stuffing dry and perfect for rolling. Black pepper ½ teaspoon. Salt ½ teaspoon. White pepper 1/4 cup. Ajinomoto 1 pinch. Sugar 1 pinch. Mix 10 to 15 seconds. If you're enjoying these professional tips, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Food Zyka for more restaurant-style recipes. Noodles, boiled, ½ cup. Soya sauce, 1 tablespoon. Vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Mix 10 to 15 seconds. Important points. The filling should be dry, not watery, to keep the rolls crispy. Completely cool it, dry it. Step 6. Hotel-style folding, 2 tablespoons stuffing. Place the filling in the center and roll tightly like Chinese stall-style spring rolls. Leave about 1 inch space on both sides. Fold the bottom corner over the filling and roll tightly. Do not skip the frying step. This is where the spring rolls become perfectly crispy. Next, fold the left and right sides inward to form an envelope shape. Stay till the frying step to see how these rolls turn golden and crispy. Brush the top corner with sealing paste, a thick mixture of flour and water, and roll tightly to seal. Seal the edges properly so the roll does not open while frying. Important point: make sure not to overfill. All rolls should be tight, the filling cold, and sheets dry for perfect results. Freezer storage method. Now freeze the spring rolls for 30 minutes. After freezing, store them in a Ziploc bag for later use. Important points: do not defrost them before frying. This keeps them crispy and prevents oil absorption. Step 8. Oil temperature test. Before frying, check the oil temperature. Drop a small corner of spring roll sheet into the oil. If gentle bubbles appear and the sheet rises slowly, the oil is ready. Important points: do not fry if the oil is smoking or too cold. Carefully place the spring rolls into the oil, seam side down first. Fry in small batches and do not overcrowd the pan. Do not move the rolls for the first 20 seconds. Then gently turn them until they become light golden and crispy. Fry on medium flame until the spring rolls turn light golden and crispy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove and place them on a wire rack, not on tissue paper, to keep them crispy. The secret sauce at the end makes these spring rolls irresistible. The final sauce makes all the difference. Look at these perfectly crispy, light and golden spring rolls. Step 9. Chinese stall-style sweet and sour sauce. Heat 1 teaspoon oil in a pan and add chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon. Stir 2 seconds. Tomato ketchup, ½ cup. Red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons. Soya sauce, 1 tablespoon. Sugar, 2 tablespoons. Vinegar, 1 teaspoon. Corn flour, 1 tablespoon. Water, ½ cup. Mix corn flour with water and add it to the pan. Mix well. Cook on medium flame until the sauce becomes thick and glossy. This sauce gives shine and authentic Chinese street-style flavor to spring rolls. Look at this glossy sweet and sour sauce, perfect for crispy spring rolls. Crispy spring rolls, ready to serve. Try this complete professional method at home. Follow Foodzyka for more restaurant-style recipes.